Now on your feed at 5, today the federal government announced its deadline for the COVID vaccine mandates. Starting January 4th, any company with 100 or more employees will need to be vaccinated and have a weekly COVID test. Big news. Our senior health correspondent, Monica Robbins, joins us now with how exactly this is going to work. Hi, Monica.
Yeah, let me spell this out, everybody. Okay, so the plan already spawning protests, backlashes, and even legal challenges right here in Ohio. But it is no joke to the federal government trying to get the pandemic under control. Steep fines for non-compliance included. Now, it covers more than 84 million private sector workers and 17 million healthcare workers. President Biden directed the Labor Department to invoke emergency powers over the safety of workplaces. Employees must be vaccinated by January 4th, or they must undergo weekly testing. On December 5th, unvaccinated workers must wear masks. Companies must provide paid time off for employees to get vaccinated and sick leave for side effects. Businesses are not required to pay for or provide the testing. The employee must do that, but they are required to report and keep records. Companies that fail to comply may be fined depending on the frequency of violations. An OSHA penalty is typically near $14,000 for every serious violation. And this also applies to healthcare workers. University hospitals, Cleveland Clinic, and Mercy Health said they were waiting for additional guidance from the government. Now they have it and risk losing Medicare or Medicaid funding if they fail to comply.
Now, Monica, why this date, first of all, and how is this legal in the whole scheme of things?
Yeah, a lot of people have been asking that. Well, the January deadline may help retailers who are struggling to get and keep employees through the holiday season. And legal experts say OSHA has the authority to do this, and its standards preempt existing rules of state governments. So, and if a state government, half the states actually have their own rules, but they're monitored by OSHA. So in that case, they still have to put in place a vaccine mandate similar to what the federal government is asking for.
And you mentioned in talking about those healthcare companies, a lot of them were waiting for the details we got today. So see change coming down the pipe.
Yeah, I would expect by tomorrow you'll probably see a lot of press releases saying that we're doing this now.
All right, Monica, thank you so much. Tonight, Monica, Jimmy, and I will be hosting a panel of experts to help answer your questions about kids and the COVID vaccine. It all starts right here on 3 News during Front Row at 7 o'clock and continues on our digital platforms. You can also watch it all on WKYC.com.